To begin off the recipe, we have taken 200 grams of corn, 60 grams of processed cheese, 1 tablespoon of maida, little bit of coriander leaves, 3 garlic cloves. We have taken Kea mixed herbs, salt and pepper to taste, and we have taken Swiss spring roll sheets. Now we'll take a hand blender, we'll add in the corn inside it, and we'll add in the garlic cloves. So the corn mixture is now ready. To it we'll add in 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, coriander leaves, and we'll grate in the processed cheese. After putting in the cheese, we'll mix in all the ingredients together and we'll bind it nicely. So the mix is now ready. We'll take our spring roll sheets and we'll fold in and make the cigarillos out of it. We'll add in 1 tablespoon of water in our maida and we'll mix it nicely and make a thick slurry out of it. We'll use this to paste in the spring roll sheets. So we have taken a spring roll sheet and we'll put in the filling in one side of the sheet and we'll align it properly. To it, we'll fold in the sheet like this. When we are more than half, we'll take in the slurry and we'll just apply it on the sheet. We fold this into and we'll roll it tight like this. Like this we'll make our other sheets. You can also use this folding method. You put in the sheet and you place the filling over here and you fold it like this and cover the filling. Take it inside and roll it tight. When you are done more than half, we'll put the slurry and we'll fold it and roll it in tight. So this is how we'll roll in our other cigarillos. The rolling of our cigarillos is ready. We'll keep them into a fridge for 10 minutes and after that we'll deep fry it. We'll be serving the corn cheese cigarillos along with a cocktail sauce. For that we'll be taking 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, and we'll add in 1 teaspoon of paprika powder. We'll mix this nicely and make a nice sauce. The sauce is ready. We'll keep it into a fridge for 5 minutes. We have heated up the oil and we'll put in our cigarillos one by one inside the oil and we'll fry it on medium-high flame. We'll fry it till golden brown. We won't fry it much. We'll fry it until we get this nice golden brown color. Our corn cheese cigarillos is now ready, guys. This is a very quick and easy recipe. If at all you like this recipe, please do try this at home and do let us know how did you find this recipe. Thank you so much.